If you want a cleaner, distraction-free browsing experience, I'm going to show you how to activate full screen mode in Chrome in just a few seconds. This is super useful when you want to focus on one website, watch a video, present something on your screen, or simply give yourself more room by hiding the extra browser clutter. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, go to any website you want to view in full screen. It can be a news site, a video page, a document, or any page you want to see without distractions. Now here's the key step. On your keyboard, press F11. The moment you do that, Chrome will switch into full screen mode. You'll immediately notice that the tabs disappear, the address bar is hidden, and the bookmark bar is no longer visible. On some computers, the taskbar may also hide, giving you a much cleaner and more immersive view of the page. This is especially helpful if you're reading, presenting, comparing content, or just want to maximize the space on your screen. It makes the browser feel much bigger and removes anything that might take your attention away from the website itself. If you're using a laptop and F11 doesn't work right away, you may need to hold the Fn key along with F11 depending on your keyboard settings. On many keyboards, the full screen shortcut works instantly, but if your function keys are assigned to special shortcuts, the Fn key may be required. And if you ever want to exit full screen mode, the process is just as easy. Simply press F11 again, and Chrome will return to normal mode. Your tabs, address bar, and browser controls will come back exactly as before. So to recap, open Google Chrome, open the website you want, press F11 to enter full screen, and press F11 again to exit. That's all it takes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Chrome tips and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.